It's Alex, and I'm here today with Jessie. Now, I'm desperate to get Jessie out of here. She's been in this workshop way too long. I really wanted to give you guys some footage on me fitting the brake master cylinder, bleeding the brakes, things like that. But unfortunately, I can't do any of that. And I don't know if it's good or bad. Bad for you maybe, but good for me. Let me give you an update on the brake master scenario. Right, so last you might have heard I bought this new master cylinder and I was going to fit that to Jessie. I went to fit it and found that the fittings, like the threads in the new one, were bigger than the old one, so the pipes on the car wouldn't fit onto my new master cylinder, which was really annoying. So I spent 3 hours or something daft with Graham driving around Land Rover places on farms, and people would do with classic cars and Land Rover, trying to find some adapter, but there was nothing. So we had to give up on that. I then come down with a bladder infection, so I couldn't do anything to the car. Graham was a bit desperate to get the car out of here because he needs to get his car in here. So he very kindly fitted, and I think these are the old ones here. Let's have a look at the old seals. They don't look that bad. I wonder why it was leaking. Yeah, he fitted a new seal kit that I got from, I think it's from John Waring's. He fitted it for me into the old master. There we are. So that is now, I'm a bit concerned about, is it leaking? I'll have to speak to him when I see him. But he's put the old one on there and he said he's bled it and it works. So, well, I wasn't happy about it, especially after I'd spent £120 on that new old stock one. But Graham reckons this will be fine for, I don't know, he reckons up to 5 years, but we'll see. So what I'll do is I'll carry the old master cylinder in the boot for now. My friend Mike very kindly made this adapter on his lathe. So I've got this fitting here is the pipe on the car will fit straight onto that. This one, not so much. This still needs adapting somehow, and I don't know how or what, but it's only the inlet. So my friend Mike said you could put a rubber pipe on there with a Jubilee clip, but I don't like the idea of that, especially with it being threaded. So I don't know what to do with that really. Do I stick it on eBay? Do I moan at the bloke when I see him next and say it didn't fit my blooming car, even though he said it was going to? I don't know. What would you do if you'd paid £120 for something that then didn't fit your car, but you haven't got the contact details of the person you bought it off of, stupidly, and you just sort of stuck with it? And my friend's gone to the effort of making this adapter, so do I now try and find an adapter for this? Is it going to work? Is it? I don't know. I really don't know. So I just have to sort of ignore that now. So today I've been, Graham's got the rear wheels off because he said the rear brakes need attention, and I think the handbrake's sticking. It's been sticking for a long time, to be honest. I hear it clonk when I pull away. Oh, I've missed a bit of masking tape there, look. Oh, there we go. So I've been underneath. It's been hammer-righted. I hammer-righted bits and bobs. He's moved this axle stand, so it's now showing this piece here. So I can wire brush that and paint that today. And there's another bit further down there I might leave that actually, because this is a whole different kettle of fish. I've been along with the wax oil. Now, I don't like coating the bottoms of cars with wax oil. Okay, that's just not me. I don't like doing that. So what I've done, I've been along and I've just put some wax oil in sort of crevices and things. Any sort of hidden areas, up inside here, in here. I did stick my finger in and try and get some in there, but I need to spray something in there. It's a bit orange. I've then sprayed grease on here, sprayed grease on the handbrake mechanism here. I've got the box out the back I'm painting at the minute. And yeah, I didn't bother cleaning any of that. But the next job I want to do while I'm under here, I may as well, I need to sort this black finger out, is I've been putting it off for ages, is I want to change these rubbers. There's rubbers here that have a sort of felt insert, and as you can see, my insert's just sort of fallen out of the rubber. So if you look carefully inside the car when you're driving along and stuff, you can actually see daylight through here because it's all split and the foams fell out. I've got replacements, and I've had the replacements for ages, but I've been putting off doing it because I didn't really know how to do it. But I've just had a look, and this nut here, or bolt shall I say, came undone really easily, and I've put a pry bar in there to try and open that up because the brake pedal should pull out from inside the car, and that's what I'm trying to do now. Oh, if I take you in there, excuse me, rolling about on the floor. It's a job I've been putting off for ages. Oh yeah, I was in the middle of taking the carpet out, so I unhooked it from there because you've got these, in case you've never done it. Where are they? There they are, little carpet grippers here. And you lift that up. It's got little teeth, see? Lift that up and pull the carpet out. Same up here. You got one there to lift and one up there. Oh, two. Is it two? Or one? There. Then we can get the carpet out, and yeah, as you can see, I put an extra bit of carpet in there to sort of try and block the holes. But yeah, I've loosened that brake pedal off now, so I'm hoping if I keep working it and pulling it, hopefully it'll come out of that clasp. The fun bit will be getting it back in, but I might need Graham to help me with that. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, you can see it's got a little indent there. Must be where the bolt goes through, and that keeps it in, because it is very important that that doesn't come off. I did fit new rubbers to the pedals when I first got her. I did it with it off the car. It's the best I could do it. So they've not fell off. So we can easily get now. We can easily get to the horrid bung. And I'm quite disappointed with the quality of rubber. I've said it before on other things. This handbrake motor I fitted probably about 3 years ago. 2 or 3 years ago. It's all split. All split. Absolutely rubbish. So it actually needs another one of these. If you can, try and buy rubber products from Australia, because they're better quality. So I don't expect these new ones that I've got to last long. Shame. Looks a bit ropey, doesn't it? Weird design, that pedal, sort of. Don't know. I'll leave that alone. Looks pretty worn out actually, doesn't it? Right, new rubber, let's show you. Here they are. Don't remember where I got them from actually. I might have got these from Australia. I can't honestly remember. They might even be in the old stock. And they do smell like they could be in the old stock. Not too. Yeah. Could well be. Right, well, that little hole is get it in the car. Well, let's get the old one out. Looks like it's got to go through that way. Oh, plop, there it goes on the floor. So, let's see. Oh, is there an up and a down? No, I think they're centre. That's movable, that bit in the middle. Okay. This is my blooming air conditioning, you know, I'm ruining here. I'm going to get hot feet now. You just went flying, by the way. It's a bit awkward, I don't want to shove the screwdriver through. Pierce the rubber. Let's give it a little poke. That feels good. Is it in? Is it in? No, because it seems as though there's two layers of rubber that got to go in. Yeah, looks like it. I'll tell you what, I think Graham's got some plastic wedges. That might be a bit kinder to the rubber. That's the only plastic wedge I could find. It might be enough just to kindly push these through without damaging the rubber. Cool, dear me. Well, I guess it's good that it's a tight fit. Stop any water coming through, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's going in. I don't know if it would have been easier to do it from underneath. I don't think so, because I've got more room here. After a lot of huffing and puffing, I did it. It's in there. I took the foam out because it's flexible. You can put it in afterwards. Look, boink. That should stay in there, hopefully. Right, brake pedal. I think I'll clean it up actually. It's a bit minging. Yeah, I might put some paint on it actually. Might as well, as it's off. And then I guess I'll have a look, see if I can get the clutch pedal off next. Oh, right, okay. Beautiful. That's good. It's nice to see that actually. I just hope it lasts longer than this epoxy thing. Look, it's actually properly split there, that handbrake gaiter. Absolute rubbish. Oh, there's the old one, look. Gross. I wonder if that's as old as the car. They might have been replaced at some point, you never know. Right, let's have a look at the clutch pedal now. See if that's just as easy. Oh, it's over there. A little bit hidden away, but it should be okay. Yeah, it's interesting to see actually. I haven't looked at the clutch. You can see there's no hydraulics for the clutch at all. It's all just rods operated straight into the release arm. Look, no hydraulics needed. Don't know why they bother with hydraulics, to be honest. I guess there's a reason for it, I'm not sure. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Let's see if we can undo that. It's probably going to be the same spanner, isn't it? Right, clutch, pedal. Oh, well, that's very wobbly, isn't it? Oh. Oh. Wow, that's it. It's so easy. It's so easy. I was so worried about doing this job. But it's easy as hell. It is split, this one. Let's push it through. you go. That's it. Oh yeah. If you can see the state of that, look. Oh, it's ruined. Absolutely ruined. And to be fair, the thickness of this rubber, it is a lot similar to the one I've put in. So I am hoping that the one I've put in is new old stock, or at least an Australian one, but this is all ruined. There we go. The new seals are in, which is pretty cool. I've not got the pedals in yet because I've got them hanging up over there, drying because I've painted them. So that's not too much of a painful job. So when they go back in, there's that little notch, isn't there? And I think that notch has got to seat in there. So when the bolt goes in, it sort of goes along the notch, basically. So putting it lamely, but yeah, I can't fit them now. So yes, on to the next job. So thanks for watching. Bye. Yeah.